sick. It was probably Turd who even got you sick. Hey! What'd you say? Hey! Achoo! No, don't even tell me. Wait a minute, you're back? Was I ever gone? Oh, I guess not. It's just my sickness is making me a bit loopy. Lawnmower, you too? Uh-huh. Guess we shouldn't have gone near Craphead then. Seriously, man. Hey! Hi, everyone. Achoo! No, now we're all infected. Gee, wonder why. Not everyone. Hey guys, the challenge today will be to, I guess, get cured from your sickness. So the first 3 to be cured will not be up for elimination, not including Evil Softball and Quandavius. So get to it. Hey Quan, you've been, such a good teammate and all, and do you think you can go get me some more, new gasoline? Whoa, thanks. Lawnmower is safe. I'm sorry, Turd, but I can't be near you right now. It's okay. I understand. Come on, Meatball, we gotta get some rest. All right. It's the only way, Meatball. It's the only way. Come on, come on. Yeah, we're cured. Wait, does that mean Zucchini, Plastic Bucket, and Turd are up for elimination? And this time, the safe contestants get to vote off one person. So, get to it. Come on, we have to. He's right, it'll be funny. Well, the contestants have spoken, and the BOL says hello to Turd. What? Why? No! Turd! I've been trying to get rid of you since the start. Hey! Choo! Help! Well, this is pretty crappy.